Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Yorkville, local and long-distance movers near me. Our experienced movers know how to make your long-distance move easy, and it does not consist of all the worry. When you relocate with us to the next state over or across the USA, with us, you receive all the right moving services to make relocating super simple, as well as loading, transportation, and unloading, and our team also provides many other moving services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Working with a local Illinois moving company could seem unnecessary at first. However, following a close look at the main benefits of working with a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. You get the advantage of conserving time on your local move, which may be well worth it. Movers also make sure you don't have to worry about injury because you don't have to do any heavy lifting. Our crew of expert movers will certainly ensure your move is extremely efficient, and you don't have to worry about spending several days managing your move when you pick 3 movers to help. It doesn't matter how big your move is, we can easily get it done quick. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Yorkville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.